Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on Internet, meaning and terms used on the Internet. By the end of this video, you'll understand what the Internet is, how it works, and learn some key terms to help you navigate it like a pro. What is the Internet? The Internet is a giant network that connects millions of computers and devices all over the world. Think of it as a huge web of connections where people can share information, talk to each other, and access endless resources. It's like a big library or a city where everything is connected. When you type something into Google, the Internet finds the answer and sends it back to you in seconds. How does the Internet work? The Internet works through connections. 1. Your device connects to the Internet using an Internet service provider. 2. The ISP helps you access websites, videos, and emails by sending data back and forth. Now let's learn some common terms you'll hear when talking about the Internet. Terms used on the Internet. Point 1. Website. A website is like a book on the Internet that contains many pages of information. Each page is called a web page, and all the pages in a website are connected together. 2. Web page. A web page is like a single page in a book, but instead of being in a physical book, it is on the Internet. It contains information about one specific topic or idea. 3. Browser is a tool or app you use to visit and explore the Internet. What does a browser do? It allows you to visit websites, watch videos, play games, and search for information. Examples of browsers: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari for Apple devices. Let's do a quick practical demonstration on how to use the Internet. 1. Open a browser, for example, Google Chrome. 2. Type in a website's URL, such as www.youtube.com. On the web page, you might see different videos to watch. Then on the search bar on YouTube, search for MarkTech. Scroll down until you see the logo, click on it, and watch all your favorite videos. Subscribe to the channel. That's it for today's lesson on the Internet. Remember, the Internet is a powerful tool that connects the world. Whether you're learning, playing games, or talking to friends, the Internet makes it possible. Before you go, let's test your understanding. Answer these questions. 1. What is the Internet? 2. Name 3 terms used on the Internet. 3. Name 1 browser and 1 search engine. Share your work with me in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. See you next time.